you know, the AC Delco SV Monaro is flying.
Absolutely it is. Now, talk us through, obviously Q1 went pretty well, but talk us through what happened in Q2, because it wasn't too dramatic, but it was probably a little bit close to the concrete that you wanted to be.
Q2, you know, we had a chat about what we were going to do. We probably thought that lane wasn't as good as the right-hand lane, and in true Fabietti fashion, he stepped it up a bit more. And we went out there thinking, you know, hey, if 69 is good, a 68 or a 67 would be really good. And look, the car left really strong. It felt good. I knew from the hit that it was going left, but it